Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about, is it time to break up with your virtual data provider? Let's go. What is a VDR? A VDR is a secure online repository for storing and sharing confidential documents. VDRs are typically used during mergers and acquisition, fundraising and other business transactions, where multiple parties need to have access to sensitive information. How to know if it's time to break up with your video provider? There are a few signs that it might be time to break up with your video provider, including your video provider is not meeting your security needs. If your video provider is not offering the security features that you need, such as encryption, access control, and audit trails, then it might be time to switch providers. Your video provider is not compliant with data protection regulation. If your business is subject to data protection regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, then you need to make sure that your video provider is compliant with those regulations. Your video provider is not user friendly. If your video is difficult to use, then it might be time to switch to a more user friendly provider. Your video provider is not affordable. If you're paying too much for your VDR, then it might be time to switch to a more affordable provider. Your VDR provider is not providing good customer support. If you're not getting the good customer support that you need from your video provider, then it might be time to switch providers. Here are some additional things to consider when deciding whether or not it's time to break up with your video provider. Let's go. How long have you been using your video provider? If you have been using your video provider for a long time and you're happy with the service, then there is no need to switch providers. However, if you're not happy with the service, then you should consider switching providers. What are your video needs? If your video needs have changed, then you might need to switch to a different provider. For example, if you are now working on large or more complex deals, then you may have a need providers that offers more features. What are your video budget constraints? If your video budget constraints have changed, then you may need to switch to a different providers. For examples, if you are now on a fighter budget, then you may need to switch to a more affordable provider. That's all for today. I hope you've understand the topic. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till that, stay tuned, take care, and share as much as you can. And if you have any question about the topic, please comment down below. We are here to reply you guys. Take care. Bye bye.